Hello and welcome to week 11 of Shaw University's 113 Online Fall Semester 2018. We're getting close to something. I don't know what we're getting close to. Who are we kidding? We're in the middle of October. It's okay, but we're going. We're zipping. Week 11. Yes. Okay, so what are we doing this week? Another chance to have one-on-one conferences. We get to have 2 of those per semester. This is again the chance where you get to look at your grade, which you can click on over here and look at your grade, see where you're at, talk to me about having any concerns because we're still before the final drop deadline. I will not ever tell you, yes, you need to drop this class. Well, all I can do is tell you where you are and tell you what your possibilities are, and then you can make a decision with your advisor. But you need to double check your grades and know where you are. And what else? What are we doing this week? Revising paper 2. So last week you submitted your paper 2 first draft, which was your annotated bibliography. Okay. Um, when it was due on the 19th, and on the 20th, I sat down, fat, dumb, and happy. I went through your papers, and then I went through and gave you feedback on what worked, what didn't work, what you need to improve on. So take your feedback from me, and you're going to revise and make those changes and do the final draft of paper 2. In addition, I would encourage you to contact the Writing Center. So again, I just clicked here. Okay. Again, contact the Writing Center because it's free. Yes. Call that number right there. Right there. Woo. And find out the best way where they can help you. Get all the help you can get, for heaven's sakes. You want to do well on this assignment. Okay? That's important. Oops, we're in week 11. Okay, so that's all we're doing this week is basically you reviewing your grades. You're working on your final revision of paper 2. Now, if you didn't turn in the first draft, then you absolutely need to contact the Writing Center to get help because I didn't give you any feedback because I couldn't if you didn't turn your first paper or your first draft in. And then your final draft is due here. And again, I put the formatting example of what MLA should look like, at least the top part of it should look like here to help you look at your paper and say, hey, does this match with what it should be? Yeah. So then you click here and you upload paper 2. Now note, okay, just the same. So writing project 1, I'll change that. Just as with writing project 1, you will earn a 0 if you do one of the following. If you upload the wrong file. So if you upload your accidentally, quote unquote, accidentally upload your first draft or something else, that's a 0 on this paper, okay? Okay, you need to have made significant changes between the first and the final draft. One student said, hey, look, my first and final draft were not the same. I said, well, yeah, they basically were. And the student said, no, I changed the date. No. Okay. The goal of revision is more than just changing the date, okay? And also, if you have plagiarized any part of your essay, now again, in this particular case, if you're quoting something from your sources, that's not plagiarizing, as long as I know where you got it from. What I'm looking here is work that you claim to be your own, that you actually copied and pasted from somewhere else, okay, and you didn't write that, that's plagiarism, okay? And again, late papers are not accepted. Boom, 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 boom. Because we got to keep moving. Okay, so that's it for week 11. And, okay, so spend the week revising, check your grades, contact me if you have any questions via email. All right, take care.